40 years, the stealth bomber decays, its structure slowly yielding to the deep ocean currents and marine growth.
The thermal anomalies match the survey data from Sector 4.
We finalized the lift plans focusing on these sections of the B-2 model.
Secure the last line to the bollard. Line's taut, we're holding position.
We are aligned on the starboard side.
By comparing the restored scans with the damaged originals, we can precisely map the structural integrity compromised by the submersion event.
We have significant saltwater infiltration on the forward fuselage.
Logging the data now. The laser scan confirms heavy oxidation near the panel joint.
The structural integrity scan on the starboard engine is critical. We must prioritize these repairs immediately.
Agreed. My tablet showed
The corrosion here is worse than expected. Look at the depth of the fracture near the panel joint.
Noted. We need to escalate this immediately.
After structural force is underwater.
According to the schematic, this is the correct isolation point.
All clear on the upper wing surface.
Acknowledged. We are initiating the lift sequence for the panel. Keep the area clear.
Collapse initiated here, right where the encrustation is heaviest.
Yes, the deformation confirms the sequence. We need a closer macro shot of that fracture.
All right, clear on the left side. Copy that. Watching the hydro.
The oil analysis confirms the bearing failure here.
Yeah, corrosion is significant. We should prioritize replacement. confirming torque specification met.
Reading at 0.002. Cross-referencing with the digital checklist now.
Hold at current position. We are green on laser alignment target 1.
Copy that. Holding. Approaching final alignment.
Easy now, just a few more inches up. We are clear on the forward mount. Send the pin. Solid, it's locked in place.
Let's look closer at that main strut seal.
Clear. The wear seems within tolerance based on the last report.
We're losing the connection on auxiliary.
Rerouting through the main conduit now.
Stabilization achieved. All systems are green.
Lowering now. Steady on the starboard side.
Holding steady, Chief. Clear by 2 inches.
Confirmed alignment on mounting points.
MFD calibration complete, confirming avionics status green.
Roger that. Ejection seat diagnostics running. Stand by.
Hangar 3, this is ground, doors fully open, proceeding with rollout.
Roger that. Ground. Clear to proceed. Fuel flow is good. 5,000 pounds.